Whether you have a newborn kitten or one that's a bit older, tracking their growth and behavior is important. Understanding kitten milestones helps you monitor their health and know what to expect as they grow. Here are the key stages by week. When kittens are born, their ears and eyes are closed. By the second week, their eyes start to open, but their vision is still blurry, especially for things far away. They begin to hear sounds and show some curiosity about their surroundings, but they do not really play yet. By week 3, kittens begin to walk and explore, staying close to their mom and siblings. They will also start to get their front teeth, called incisors, which will break through their gums. In the 4th week of life, kittens start moving around more, but usually stay close to their mothers. They begin to recognize different cat sounds and join in playful interactions. Their balance improves, and they will likely start using the litter box. By week 6, your kitten will start acting more like an adult cat during playtime. Around this age, they will also begin playing with toys. Hot aroma fish cat toy helps cats chase and chew, boosting their hunting instincts. It supports healthier growth and strengthens your bond with your cat. It helps fight boredom and give cats an outlet for their instinctive prey-chasing behaviors. By 6 to 7 weeks, kittens can begin eating food that is specially formulated with very high levels of protein, which is essential for proper growth. Purina One high-protein food gives your growing kittens the nutrition they need and a taste they love. Fill your cat's dish with Purina One super premium kitten food. They will enjoy every bite while getting the nutrition. With real chicken as the first ingredient, it provides high-quality protein to support their growth. If you have questions about your kitten's growth stages, ask your vet. They can tell you how your kitten's development compares to typical milestones.